Yesterday was my
Okay, ma'am.
network issue. Network was not there in whole day also.
So Arnav, the CT1 is already posted in the class. CT2 also posted right now. Please give and send your work. No
Ma'am, we
need
have
to
to write
write
the
the questions, Vani. Only answers with the statement. These are word problems. Done?
They are without name.
Take out your revision notebook. Meantime, I'll check and give it to you. And meantime, you will do the sum. Make the story problem based on division or multiplication concept in your revision notebook. One by one, I will call your name and I will. What? Yesterday you have submitted? Who else has not got? Okay. Come here. Yes, these three papers are without name.
I have written my name.
K1. Where is the half of the paper? This is your handwriting, na K1?
Yes.
Staple this. You please recognize which is your paper. Don't take any paper. Just see your handwriting and take accordingly. You have not written name on it.
Why this is I written
Uh-huh. Wrong. It's by mistake. I need to check other sums also, so please complete and then give. Which is yours?
because I have not written this one.
Okay, so these are not yours. This is also not yours.
Yes.
This, no. As a grade 4 student, and you are not writing your name.
But I have written. Hello, ma'am. Hindi means this do as directed. First one, we have to write the technique of rechecking division.
It's up to you. Put it, I will call your names. Why you all are standing here? Go.
We have to write only answer, no? Yeah, question also.
Only answer. But numbering of the question should be proper. Dhyan Patel, it's yours. Write your name, please. Vihan, what happened? Any difficulty? Vihan, I'll call you. I'll one by one call to the students. Vihan, any problem?
Today's my network issue.
Okay. So please give your. I will call you, beta, and staple this. Okay. So read this properly. I know you have missed many of the questions. Back questions also. No. I'm taking your attendance, students. Please give your attendance also now. Yes,
Excuse
please.
me, ma'am. There are 10 questions of 10 marks, na?
2 marks is there are 5 questions.
Okay. Ma'am, in the seventh one, means in the second one, we have to write some statements, or we can write directly.
Whatever you know about that, you please complete in that way. जो भी आपको आता है उस क्वेश्चन के बारे में राइट. ओके. आरव अपानी, आरुष मियानी, अर्थ गुजराती, अर्थ you are there?
Present, ma'am.
Okay.
Present, ma'am.
Asta, Dheer, Dheer, you are present online? Dwani, Diva, Hare, Harsh Keshwani,
Ma'am, my name is not taken.
I will mark. Hiya, Jignesh, Krishav, Lakshadola, Mohammed Momin, Moin Kaludi, Moksh Patel, Pragyan, Pritika, Shivani Shivangani, Vedi, Vihan, Vihan Vyas, ask. Done. I will call you. When I will start checking this, no? Then I'll call your name. No. Or either put it here. Start doing the story problems. Those who have complete, staple this bacha. Take stapler from someone if they have. Okay, leave it. Put it here. Those who have done, we were done, they can keep here and take out a revision notebook, make 5 story problem based on multiplication and division with the solution and statements. No, you want? Vihan, you need to check whether you have completed all the questions or not. Check this one. Oh. I will return after checking. Please go. Yes. Who? Again, keep it here and go. Take out your revision notebook, make story problems. Based on multiplication and division concept. Keval, leave it. I will staple it. Write your name on both the pages. Aradhya, give your attendance now, students. Aradhya.
Present, ma'am.
Dania is present. Dhyan Patel. Divit. Krant. Singh. Kashvi. Kevan. Mantra. Manya. Moksha. Nishwa. Is Niva there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Fourth B.
Ma'am, you didn't took my name.
Dhwani, I will mark. Rajvi Nikhare? Jump, then comma will not come. If you are forming a word, it's only jump. The comma will not come. Cut the comma. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, beta.
Ma'am. 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 Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, my dear, tell me. Someone was calling me.
My name is not come
What not come?
in presentation.
I am not presenting anything, beta. Already the link is posted in the classroom.
Ma'am, Suchi is saying that her name is not come in attendance.
I will call, I will mark. I know the students. Rajvi Lahoti, Tej Kumar, Vedant, Vihan, Vishrut, Viva,
Present.
Suchi. Again, still I can hear the voice.
Ma'am, I just sent.
What happened?
I just sent.
Okay, I will check it. 4B. Still there is a Arush inside only. Arnav Desai. Bhakti is present. Dev, Hansel, Heer, Chania, Kavisha, Kiana. Is Khush present there today?
Ma'am, I'm there.
Okay. Lisha, Meer Birani. Meet is there? Meet? Yes. Yes. For tomorrow, children, read this chapter number 12, the next chapter, how heavy, how light. Read and come. And in this chapter, what activities we can do. You also give me some suggestions for the activities, because when you read the chapter, you will come to know what are we going to learn in this chapter. So read the chapter and come and tell me, ma'am, in this chapter, these activities we can do, and tell me the topics also which we can cover, so that we will work according to that, because when you read the chapter, you will be more aware that what are we going to learn in this chapter. Okay, am I clear to you all? So it is your 4B offline, it is your duty to read the chapter, that what is the topic and the concept we are going to cover in the chapter number 12. Am I clear? And what the activities we can perform on this, search it and come and tell me. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes, Mantra.
ma'am, do we have to make circle in the third question?
Let me read the question. No, no need, beta. Only you need to find the radius of the circle.
Ma'am, I was asking that only.
Read the question.
Ma'am, I've read it so many times.
We can draw a circle using nail and rope. Who is this? There is a lot of voice coming this side from the bench and table. Close this. Krishav, come here. Bring your textbook. No problem, you bring it. Come. Sit here. Take out the page, chapter number 12. I can now call any child to me and I will ask anything from you all related to chapter number 12. So start reading. Aradhya, what is in your hand? Okay, read it. Read this.
How heavy, how light?
Put finger and read.
You and Mamu were
Hmm.
shifting house. They looked
Looked or loaded?
loaded all things on horse cart.
Hmm.
There are many things like a water trunk, 5 sacks of wheat. There are tables,
Wait a minute.
tables and ma'am, I can't understand this word.
Almira.
Almira, 4 chairs, 2 mattresses. There are sacks of.
3 sacks of.
There are 3
Where
sacks.
is there written? Only 3 sacks of rice.
There are.
There is not that. This is 3. THREE.
3 sacks of rice, a bamboo ladder,
Pots and pans.
pots and pans. When they are ready to move, are the horses
Horse refused to start.
Refused to start. They
Wondered
wondered
why.
why. Their father said that this horse was not well and would not pull the load heavier than 700 kgs. But how heavy is this load? They asked.
So, children, in this chapter, meantime, I'm explaining the chapter number 12 as the child is reading. How heavy, how light, right? In this chapter, what are we going to learn about?
How heavy and light.
Ma'am, kilogram and gram. Ma'am, kilogram and gram.
Kilogram and gram. So, what is the standard unit of measurement? This is called standard unit of capacity or measurement or what?
Capacity.
Capacity. This is the measurement of
Capacity.
capacity. So, what is
Gram.
the standard unit of
Gram.
measurement of capacity?
What, ma'am? What? You want to repeat?
Standard unit of measurement of capacity. You told me kilogram and gram, right? Both are the standard units. But what is the basic unit of
Gram.
kilogram? Is the standard unit of kg is the standard unit of measurement of capacity. So in this, what do you think? Which all the concepts we will cover? Sit on the chair. Sit. So what do you think? Which all the topics we will cover in this chapter?
Ma'am, we can do measurement. Gram and
And
kilogram.
kilogram and gram, where it is useful when you go to buy a table.
Table. Ma'am, yeah, apple dozen.
Okay. So where more
Ma'am, grains. Take
pay
it whole.
attention.
Ma'am, a round shape and apple on the other side. That rupees is called.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, please, we should ask.
Ma'am, at the CET, the last question that the if example is FYBN, so I can write in different manner or same.
No, not different manner. Following the rule of the same, you need to write the code of the school.
Okay.
Same code, same rule follow करना है कि exam में E means F, right? Means the next letter X, Y, A, B, and M, N. They are using the next following letter. So for the school, if you use the next letter of S, C, H, O, L, so what will be the code of a school?
Okay, ma'am. I understood.
So here, as we were discussing about the heavy and the light. So first of all, you should know by looking or by taking the objects in your hand and compare them, which object is heavy and which is light.
If it is very heavy at the.
Suppose I have this paper in my hand, and one side I have a pen in my hand. So can you?
Pen weight is heavier.
So when we are comparing the object, we use the word heavier than or lighter than. If I say the paper is dash than pen.
Ma'am, the paper is heavier than pen.
Yes. So the word lighter than will come. And if we say, if I use the word pen first, pen is dash than.
Ma'am, pen is heavier
Paper.
than paper. Pen is heavier than paper.
Yes, so here we are comparing which is heavier and which is light objects. So when you come in the next online class tomorrow, you bring some objects, some heavy objects and some light objects and compare them and show it to me in the live class. Arnav, you want to explain this?
Excuse me,
Arnav, try.
I have a doubt.
The bottle are heavier. Ma'am, I told you we were this number.
Yes, we can't wait, I'll clear. Huh.
I have a
The
doubt.
bottle is heavier than the paper.
Ha,
we
Vihan, I will clear your doubt. Wait a minute.
we have to get we have to two things we have to get yesterday class.
Huh. Some few different objects of heavy and few different objects of light things.
Okay.
And then you need to compare.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, let me talk with Vihan. Yes, Vihan Dobariya, please ask. Your voice is not coming, beta. Mic is mute.
Ma'am,
Mic
I
is
have
mute.
got the doubt in the first one, second one, and the third.
In all the questions you
Ma'am?
have doubt.
Now you can hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. But what is the doubt in the first question?
Ma'am,
Vihan, what is the doubt in first question?
I cannot understand
36
it.
there are children. Half of them are girls. How many are the boys?
I know the answer, but I don't know what we have to
Write the
do.
statement from the question only. The total students 36.
I know the answer, but I don't know what to do.
You need to give the answer with the statement from the question.
Okay, now understand. And at the second one also.
Arnav, if you talk in between,
And at
you
the
will not
second
able to
one
complete
also.
your work on time.
And at the second,
Second one also, you need to see the jump.
ma'am, and the second one also.
Second one also, you need to find it that on the sixth jump, it will be on which stair.
Yeah, I know. Everyone's answer.
Ma'am,
Yes, Suchi.
ma'am, in fifth one I have doubt.
Fifth one, you need to write the code of the school. If the code of exam is FYBN and FYBN made by writing the next letter of the words, like E ka next will be F, X next letter will be Y.
Ma'am, I can show one example of light and heavier.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
cube is less than
Less than or heavier than?
ma'am, I have dash. Ma'am, Rubik's cube is heavier than need pen. Need pen is lighter than Rubik's cube.
Yes, both the sentences are correct. So tomorrow bring some heavy and some light objects and we will do the comparison in the next class. And please start making the, because you
Ma'am,
all know there are different types of weighing scales. Different type of weighing scales. Yes or no? What are weighing scales? Where we measure the weight. So there are different traditional
yes,
type of weighing scales and machine weighing scales.
machines. We can as also we can do hand also. Whose weight is heavier. Like
But that will not give you the exact measurement, na?
yes, but we can like
That you can only judge which object is heavy and light. You will not able to judge how much heavy and how much light. ये तो नहीं निकाल पाओगे ना? You will not aware. You are not aware when you are measuring with the hand. You don't know what is the weight of the pen. But you can only compare. Okay, this is heavy and this is light. But you don't know the exact measurement. For exact measurement, we need the measuring scales. For measuring scales, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I want to give one example.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, I have one bottle of lotion and one bottle of syrup of medicine, which is the heavier. The syrup bottle is heavier than
Okay.
the lotion bottle.
Maybe what happened because the size of the bottles, I think it's same. But maybe what happened, you have already used some of the item and some lotion is completely used and the medicine is still there. So for this, you can see the weight of these bottles may be written on that how many grams of lotion is there and how many grams of medicine bottle is that. Then only you can easily compare them and say, okay? Because when
Ma'am,
you see these objects, it is looking they both are same. But when maybe what happens is you have used some of the lotion and the medicine is still there. So you can see, yes, you can see here in the medicine there is a green part, no? There may be written the what is the weight of this bottle, or
ma'am,
at the
I'm
back
looking,
of the
ma'am, I'm looking that only.
where they write the price, maybe there written what is the weight of this bottle. And same in the lotion bottle also is written what is the weight of this.
Ma'am, thank you.
Okay, such objects, those are
Ma'am,
looking in the similar will, you cannot compare them which is heavy, which is light. Yes.
ma'am, one time I had means now also I have 3 by 3 and 4 by 4 Rubik's cube. Their size are some means some only difference, and when I pick means the 3 by 3 and the 4 by 4 in my hand, so 4 by 4 is more heavier than 3 by 3.
Yes. So please find out some names of the weighing scales, and if you have some waste material at home to make the traditional weighing scale, that also you can make and bring it. Bring some vegetable items from home and show it
Ma'am,
to us. How can you balance the things?
I
How
have
can you?
been skill in traditional method in my old house in ground.
Hmm.
I have traditional.
That also you can bring and show it to me, okay, in the next class. So
Okay.
the major part is mainly you need to come and show it to me and explain me about the chapter. Am I clear? Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
please send both the CTs, yesterday's and today's, if you have not sent till now. After that, it will not be accepted.
Ma'am,
Am I
when
clear?
the assignment come,
Yes,
assignment.
already given. No, this was the assessment only.
Yes, I know. But
Ma'am, is there more?
No.
yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Come on.
Ma'am,
Yes.
which
Suppose
test we
I
have
ask
to
few
send
questions
it?
from you all students.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Rishik, mute your mic. Yes, Vihan, speak.
which time we have to send this?
Until you don't have any emergency, send me now. If you have any emergency, you'll no phone with you, you can send it to me before 12 o'clock.
Okay, I'm network issue.
PM या
Sorry.
AM? Ma'am, PM या AM?
12 o'clock.
Ma'am, right now, yeah.
Yeah, noon, 12 o'clock.
Okay.
We will
Ma'am,
never use AM or PM with the 12. I'm noon, 12 o'clock, not at night. Okay, okay, I will ask one question from you all from the page number 137 of your textbook.
I made this type of and made it at my.
If you see your textbook page number 137, it's a weighing scale, traditional kind of.
Yes.
Suppose you have one thing on the one side, 100 gram, and on the other side, 50 gram. To balance both the sides, how much you
100
will
gram
add?
is, ma'am, 100 gram is heavier than the 500 50 gram.
100 gram is heavier than the 50 gram. My question is to balance both the sides equally, same level. So how much you are going to add?
Ma'am, 50 gram, 50 gram.
50 grams in the 50
So
gram.
you are going to add
50
50 gram on the other side to make the balance both the side. Manya, are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this anything new for you?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, the chapter is one more time in the.
Okay. First weighing scale, if you see on your page number 137, 40 gram and 25 grams. So what will be the total weight? 40 and 25?
25, 26, 27,
15
Gram.
and 15.
50.
Then we have to add 15 grams.
55 gram. 20
15.
Arnav, turn off your mic.
65 gram. And on the other hand, it is 40 gram and 35 gram.
5 grams we have to add in
75 gram. And on the other hand, 65 gram. So to balance both the sides equally, how much you are going to add?
5 grams.
5 grams.
5, 40,
5 grams.
60, 65 gram.
65 grams.
75 gram. Yes. How much?
75
10
grams.
grams.
Arnav, listen, bacha. Only giving the answer is not the thing. You need to listen the question carefully. One side 65 gram, another side 75 gram. How much more you need to add? 10 what? Kilogram.
Gram. Ma'am, 10 grams.
Until you will not use the proper unit, your answer will be wrong. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So tomorrow your task is to come read the chapter and come in the class, find out some activities and tell me, okay ma'am, related with this chapter we can do this activity. You need to tell me the activities which we can do.
I am doing the
And
activity.
please search about the different weighing scales and practical way. If you want to make a weighing scale of the traditional method and any weighing scale, show it to me in the next class. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you,
Yes,
students.
Bye, ma'am.
What did you say, ma'am, of weighing scale? I couldn't hear you.